Have you ever asked yourself this question? Why do I understand English, but I cannot speak it fast? Or maybe this one, why do I translate everything in my head? What if I told you, you can train your brain to think in English in a fast and easy way. Stay with me, because today I will show you how to do it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Moses. I'm Moses, and I'm really happy you're here today. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Where are you watching from right now? Your country, your city? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to speak English with confidence, if you want to think in English naturally, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Alright, let's begin. The real problem. Translation in your head. Let's be honest for a moment. Most English learners do this. First, they think in their native language. Then they translate into English. Then they speak. And by that time, the conversation is already finished. Laugh softly. That is the real problem. Not vocabulary, not grammar. The problem is, your brain is not trained to think in English. But don't worry, this is very normal. And the good news is, you can fix it. How the brain learns a language. Let me explain something very important. Your brain learns language through repetition, through listening, and through simple communication. This is how children learn. They don't translate, they listen. Again and again. Your brain loves simple and frequent sentences. That's why thinking in English starts with daily conversations, podcasts, and simple communication. Method 1. Listen every day. If you want to think in English, you must listen to English every day. Not once a week, not only in class, every single day. Podcasts are perfect for this. You listen while walking, you listen while cooking, you listen before sleeping. Yet, your brain is learning even when you are relaxed. When you listen daily, your brain starts recognizing patterns. Sentences feel familiar. English starts feeling natural. Method 2. Think in simple daily sentences. You don't need big sentences. Start small. When you wake up, think, I wake up early. When you eat, think, I am eating breakfast. When you go out, think, I am going to work. This is powerful, very powerful. You are training your brain without stress, no translation, just English. Method 3. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Now, this one is funny. Talk to yourself in English. In your room, in the car, in the shower. Say simple things. Today is a good day. I feel tired. I need coffee. Don't worry, you're not crazy. You are training your brain. Method 4. Copy, don't create. Many learners try to create sentences. That is hard. Instead, copy sentences you hear. From podcasts like this, from videos, from conversations. When you copy, your brain saves the sentence. Later, it comes out naturally. This is how fluency grows. Method 5. Be patient with yourself. Let me be very honest with you. Thinking in English does not happen in one day. But if you listen daily, if you use simple sentences, one day, you will notice something amazing. You will speak without translating, and you will smile and say, wow, it's working. Why this matters in real life. Thinking in English helps you speak faster, feel confident, enjoy conversations, understand real English. English becomes part of your life, not a school subject. And that is the goal. Let me remind you of something important. You don't need perfect English. You need daily English. Listen every day. Think in simple sentences. Speak without fear. Your brain will learn. I promise you. Thank you so much for listening to English with Moses. If this podcast helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone learning English. And don't forget, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.